Hello, I am Prajwal. I am graduated from CSC AML from Vasavi College of Engineering, Hyderabad. During my years after graduation, I come across a situation where getting shortlisted into jobs is getting harder and harder. So that's when my father suggested the TalentSprint to upskill my skills according to the present job market. I joined in full stack development course under TalentSprint. You can be proficient within a span of 1 month to 2 months, where you can independently build your own projects. For the placement, they have conducted mock interviews. There will be a daily tests on coding and quizzes. There will be weekly tests so that you can accurately guess your progress, so that you can attend the interviews with confidence. The placement team provided with us a job portal where we can apply for the jobs exclusively.